What does tree data mean to you? Do you ever wonder about how certain features of these trees correlate to one another? This semester, our team worked with several different aspects of data analysis in order to draw conclusions about real life USDA Forest Service data. One of the most important components was learning how to utilize these enormous data sets to draw strong, interpretable conclusions. Our team worked together to create the graphics shown in Figure 1 that can be used to understand how this data is collected. The USDA Forest Service collects data from circular plots with a radius of 7.32 meters. As long as the land condition within that circle is forest, data about the trees with diameters that exceed 5 inches within it can be collected. Within each plot lies a smaller plot that has a radius of 2.7 meters. For the data collected about that plot, we also include tree saplings with diameters between 1 to 5 inches. Altogether, this is the data that makes up the database, the collection of which we can see visualized in Figure 1. Previous semester, our team worked to utilize network graph analysis to show connectedness and correlation between two different points. We specifically looked at species codes to see how they correlate to one another. For example, do certain trees commonly appear together or apart? This visualization is shown in Figure 2. What these kinds of graphs essentially help show is interconnectivity. The more lines or clutter between species, the more connected they are. We then use different visualizations to help focus on the amount of connectivity, as shown in figures 3A and 3B. This type of analysis was most significant for helping us fill in any missing data with acceptable means. From this, we extended our exploration to involve utilizing machine learning models such as KNN, shown in figure 4, and random forest. Both of these are machine learning models that use existing variables to make predictions and find plots that are similar to the one we are currently looking at. The results of variable significance from these are shown in figures 5A and 5B. Through these, we could understand which variables were important and held the most significance for our findings. Finally, we used a correlation matrix shown in figure 6 to help us visualize which of these variables were important or unimportant for use when conducting our KNN analysis. This was another helpful tool that showed us the versatility of the FIA data, since many different variables could be used for achieving the same results. In our quest to manipulate the data, we have gained a deeper understanding as to how these machine learning models work and their many potential uses and appeals. With many aspiring data scientists on our team, this has proven to be an extremely useful experience that has many valuable implications for the future usage of forestry data. In terms of real deliverables, these results are important because through identifying tree volume of certain area, they help us figure out the mean carbon emission offset, which is important for combating global warming and achieving proper metrics in our areas of interest.